Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to be heading outside. We're talking about creating the ultimate DIY outdoor kitchen. It's a dream for so many of us, and I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be intimidating. With a little planning and some elbow grease, you can have a beautiful and functional space for all your outdoor cooking and entertaining needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. First things first, let's grab a glass of sweet tea and start dreaming. Just like any renovation project, we need a plan. Imagine yourself in your perfect outdoor kitchen. What do you see? Are you grilling up burgers with the kids, hosting pizza night with friends, or enjoying a quiet morning coffee surrounded by nature? Take a good look at your outdoor area. How much room do you have to work with? Are you picturing a cozy grilling station or a full-blown kitchen with all the bells and whistles? Setting a realistic budget is key to any successful DIY project. Think about the materials you love, the appliances you need, and whether you'll need a little help from our contractor friends along the way. All right, now that we have our vision and budget in check, let's find the perfect location for your outdoor kitchen. Think about the flow between your indoor and outdoor spaces. Having your kitchen close to the house makes it super convenient for running back and forth with platters of food and drinks. Another thing to keep in mind is the wind direction. You don't want your guests battling smoke while they're trying to enjoy their meal. Choose a spot that speaks to you and complements your home's style. Now for the fun part, choosing the heart of your outdoor kitchen. A good grill is a must-have. Whether you're a charcoal purist or prefer gas, there's a grill for you. Think about your cooking style and how many people you entertain. Built-in grills are permanent. Freestanding ones offer flexibility. Durable countertops like granite, concrete, or stainless steel are essential. And don't forget about storage. Weatherproof cabinets or open shelving keep essentials organized. A sink and water supply make outdoor cooking a breeze. Okay, are you ready to take your outdoor kitchen to the next level? Let's talk about some fun additions that will make your space truly special. If you're a pizza lover like me, a wood-fired or gas pizza oven is a game changer. Imagine the smell of freshly baked pizza filling your backyard. Pure heaven. Another great addition is bar seating. It creates a casual and inviting atmosphere for guests to gather around while you're cooking. And for the ultimate grilling enthusiast, consider adding a smoker or side burner. These versatile additions open up a world of culinary possibilities. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of material selection. We need materials that can handle whatever Mother Nature throws their way. Stainless steel is sleek, modern, and rust-resistant. Treated wood adds warmth and character. Natural stone like flagstone or limestone adds elegance. Safety and durability are key for flooring. Let's talk ambiance. Good lighting transforms your outdoor kitchen into a magical nighttime retreat. Layer different types of lighting for a warm, inviting atmosphere. String lights create a soft, romantic glow. Path lighting ensures safety. Don't forget task lighting. Light up your grill and prep areas. Electrical outlets are essential for small appliances and chargers. An outdoor kitchen should be a place where people want to gather and linger. So let's make it comfortable. Invest in weather-resistant furniture that looks stylish. Think cushioned chairs, cozy benches, and maybe even a hammock for lounging. If you live in a cooler climate, add a fire pit or outdoor heater. There's nothing like gathering around a crackling fire on a chilly evening. For scorching summer days, ceiling fans or misting systems can keep the area cool. Now comes the really fun part, adding your personal touch. This is where your outdoor kitchen truly comes to life. Outdoor rugs add color, pattern, and define areas. Planters with flowers and greenery bring nature in. Decorative plates, lanterns, and vintage finds add character. Adding an herb garden is a great personal touch. Now that you have a vision for your dream outdoor kitchen, it's time to roll up our sleeves and get to work. Seasoned DIYers can tackle most of the project themselves, but leave plumbing, electrical, and gas lines to the pros. Prioritize safety and ensure everything is up to code. Congratulations! You've poured your heart and soul into creating your dream outdoor kitchen. Now, let's keep it looking its best. Regular maintenance goes a long way. Wipe down surfaces after each use, Clean your grill as per instructions. Don't forget the appliances. Invest in covers to protect from elements. Maintain it well for countless joyful gatherings. And there you have it, folks. Your ultimate DIY outdoor kitchen is ready for all those summer BBQs and cozy dinners. I hope this video has inspired you to create your own outdoor oasis. Remember, it's all about creating a space that reflects your style and brings your family and friends together. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips and home improvement ideas. See you next time. Happy grilling!